Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best new cool gadgets available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have Whiskey Decanter Globe Set. This hand-blown elegant whiskey decanter dispenser featuring an etched globe design and antique ship in the bottle. It will undoubtedly enhance your drinking experience while making a bold impression. This patented set includes whiskey decanter with 2 matching globe design old-fashioned whiskey glasses fitted onto mahogany stained tray. This gold stopper adds a touch of class while keeping your spirits sealed. It can also be used to serve water, juice, iced tea and other beverages. At number 6 we have GoCube Puzzle. GoCube is the vintage puzzle cube reimagined and redesigned for the 21st century. This GoCube is an app-enabled speed cube that allows anyone to learn how to solve this classic puzzle in a fun and interactive way. You can improve your skills, track your progress and compete with friends and cubers around the world. You can use the mobile application to learn how to solve the cube and track your electronic cube progress. You can get accurate stats to improve your solve time, challenge yourself and get better. The GoCube teaches the fundamentals of problem solving and develops spatial awareness, memorization skills and hand-eye coordination. At number 5 we have OTOTO Utensil Rest. This non-slip silicone utensil rest and spoon holder takes off the hassle while you do the hustle. For this fearless crustacean, steam and bubbles are like a day at the spa. This red's sturdy claws are heat resistant and built to hold spoon, tongs, ladles and other kitchen utensils. This item deserves a spot in your collection of unique kitchen tools and gadgets. This silicone spoon rest is something to celebrate. It's BPA-free and made of 100% food-grade silicone, which means it's made to withstand rust and chipping. This kitchen and grill utensil holder and spoon rest for stovetop is a staple for a tidy cooking space. At number 4 we have Jetman phone stand. The pad back and the bottom of this cell phone stand are fully covered by anti-skid silicone, which can provide maximum protection for your device from any scratches and slide. This cell phone stand with portable Bluetooth speaker delivers stunning sound with enhanced bass, tight mids and crystal clear highs without distortion at any volume. Moreover, the speaker comes with a built-in microphone. This Bluetooth speaker and the design of the mobile phone holder make it more convenient for you to use. The Bluetooth 5.0 speaker cell phone holder is best gift for all people. At number 3 we have Bloss Jar Opener. This anti-skid jar opener perfect for those with limited hand strength, mobility, the elderly or arthritis sufferers who struggle to open lids and jars. This is a great kitchen tool for you. This jar opener tool with 8 sizes of circular openings provide a secure grip for a wider variety of containers than metal tools. This cool gadget's easy to clean, store and safe to put in the dishwasher. You can hang on hooks for quick access instead of delving through a cluttered utensil drawer. The outer grip is made from rolling waves of rubber that ensure a secure handle on the tool. And the slanted angles of the jar opener can match to every person's hand size. At number 2 we have Video Conference Camera. It is designed to make your remote meeting smarter. This OTOTO 360 degrees conference camera is all that you need for any video conference. This 360-degree camera captures the entire room in 4K resolution without stitching. You can, rather than crowding around a tiny web camera, all participants can comfortably sit in a meeting room and engage in the video conference. OTOTO video conference system ensure that everyone is seen with a wide-angle video camera system. When you're working in large and medium meeting rooms, OTOTO lets you capture everyone in sharp detail. At number 1 we have Novium Luxury Pen. It is crafted with aircraft-grade aluminum and enduring zinc alloy. It takes 103 meticulous processes to construct the hover pen. The pen body is shaped with unibody design. This highly precise craftsmanship makes it like a piece of exquisite art. It is equipped with Schmidt ballpoint cartridges, the German-engineered luxury standard ballpoint refill. This is versatile yet flexible. Experience the smooth writing with the unique pen. Hover Pen 2.0 promises has no spills, no spotting and definitely no explosions. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best new cool gadgets for your need.